My lovely kick scooter has fenders on both wheels that are supposed to protect me from getting mud all over myself. The fenders work very well in and after rain, but only if I move slower than 8 miles an hour. And those are good fenders, as you can see. The rear fender also serves as a brake. In push-down position, the fender covers most part of the wheel. Let's see the fender from the top. It covers almost the whole wheel. Only a little part of the wheel is left uncovered. And that little uncovered part is enough to get splashes on my back. And I mean a lot of splashes. When the brake is released, it gets even worse. I don't want to drill any holes in the fender for attaching a mud guard or flap. So let's make a simple extension using a piece of plastic bottle, 2 paper clips and a rubber band. Remove a label from the plastic bottle. I choose a bottle with a plain cylindrical shape. A large plastic cup or any piece of plastic, whatever is available to you, should do for that matter. Cut off the narrow neck and the bottom part of the bottle. Cut the remaining cylindrical part of the bottle the long way. Trim off the edge as necessary. And I cut off the sticky part of the plastic where the label was attached. Now let's fit the plastic piece to the fender. Make sure the plastic overlaps the fender on each side by at least a couple centimeters. I turn the piece of plastic across the fender. Bend the plastic over the fender on one side to mark the spot. The overlap should be large enough for the paper clip to hold on it. Fold the overlap and make a crease at the marked spot. I use the dual side of a knife to make the crease. Fit the plastic on the fender. The overlap goes under the fender. Wrap the plastic across the fender to the other side. Bend the plastic under the fender to mark a spot for the crease. Make the crease. Trim the overlapped part, making it about the same, a couple centimeters size, as the first one. Fit the plastic on the fender. Secure the plastic to the fender using a paper clip on each side of the fender. I use small paper clips. The handles of the paper clips do not overlap over the fender, as you can see here. Now I tie a rubber band around top handles of paper clips to pull them together. Stretch the rubber band slightly as you wrapping it around the handles. I suppose we can use any type of wire or some strings or rope instead of the rubber band. Again, use whatever is available. Make whatever knot you can manage to secure the rubber band. Remove the bottom handles from both paper clips. Congratulations! We have made the mud guard, the flap, or the fender extension. It comes with so many names. Give it a ride, test it. 1 month and about 100 miles later, the fender extension still looks good and has saved me on many rainy days. I ride this kick scooter to work and back 5 days a week, 5 miles in each direction. And this disposable splash, mud guard, flap, fender extension, whatever it is, serves surprisingly well. For the front wheel I simply use a sticky tape to seal the hole in the frame. It works in a pinch. A simple and yet effective solution. I alternate legs riding a kick scooter to go far and fast, and now without splashes. Check my rides on Strava. Have fun and happy rides!